Hello everyone. Today let's see how we can manage lost opportunities or create lost reason in Odoo 14 CRM. So here when you open CRM module, you can see the pipeline which contains all the opportunities, and you can see opportunities are placed in different stages. So when you win an opportunities, you can move it to win the one stage, and you can see it is the opportunities one. And if you create a new opportunity from here, it will be in the new stage, so it can be moved to different stages from here. So while working with your opportunities, you might lose some of them. You will want to keep track of the reasons you lost them, and also which ways Odoo can help you recover them in future. So before marking, that is when you lose an opportunity, you can mark them as lost. So before that, we can configure some lost reasons, so that when you configure these reasons, we can, while marking an opportunity as lost, you can add this reason. So it is so simple. So you can see there are three lost reasons created, like too expensive, we don't have people or skills, not enough stock, and you can create new reason from here. Okay, failed to meet expectations. You can say this. So new low reason is created. So after creating low reason, let's come back to our opportunity, and here we can open one. So here we can see in an opportunity under proposition stage, that is 5 VP chairs. So just open this. So this is a service, you can see service product, and from here it is possible to mark this opportunity as won or lost. So if I click this mark lost, here we can provide the lost reason why you lose this opportunity, why our company loses opportunity. So here I can add fail to meet customer expectations and submit this. So when you submit, you can see here a badge that is this opportunity is lost. And when you come back to the pipeline, you cannot find that opportunity because it is archived, because that opportunity is lost. So here when you filter opportunities, you can filter opportunities by those opportunities that are lost. So when you click here, you can see one opportunity is lost from proposition stage, and you can also group this by lost reason. So here you can see the lost reason, and you can see that opportunity. And when you open that closed opportunity, there is also an option in order to unarchive the closed opportunity, that is to restore our opportunity. uh, so if our customer come back or is ready to continue with the work, so if I click unarchive, you can see again option to create new quotation and mark one. And you can see if we come back to our pipeline, that is who's this, we can see that opportunity again came to the stage proposition. And it is if you want, you can move to one. So that's how we create, that is lost reason, and manage lost opportunity in CRM. If you're interested in knowing more about this or looking for any Odoo implementation or customization in your business, drop your request to odoo@cybrosys.com.